Hello from the American Muscle Car Museum right here in sunny Melbourne, Florida. Today out from the collection, we have a 1958 Ford Fairlane 500. This is a Skyliner retractable. These have been in the works at Ford since 1949, and the prototype debuted at the New York Auto Show in December of 1956. These cars were produced in a 3-year run from 1957 to 1959, and they produced almost 50,000 units in that total time. These would retail for around $3,000, depending on options. If you deleted the hardtop and just had a ragtop, it took about $800 off the cost. It was also the first mass-produced car in the US with a retractable top. Very innovative, very advanced for its time. The very first production car went to President Eisenhower, and that was on April 15th in 1957. The top would take 7 electric motors, 10 relays, and over 600 feet of wire. As you can see, the trunk lid comes up. It's a 2-piece trunk lid where the front part folds under. It raises up, the top slowly comes off and retracts down into the trunk lid area. And this is done in a sunlit gold with a gunmetal gray two-tone. This has some of the options on it as far as the spotlights, the Continental kit, the backup lights, and the exhaust tips, along with the wire wheels and the wide white wall tires. As we come to the interior, this is also done in a sun gold and a gray. This has the padded dash with the padded sun visors, has power windows and power seats. This also has the town and country radio. These cars were powered by 3 different V8 versions. Our particular car is powered by the largest option at the time in a 352 300 horse. This car we have out for photos and videos today, and with all cars we keep them in running and driving condition. This car has had a concourse frame-off, high-level restoration done by Jerry Miller Restorations. For more information on this car and all the other cars in the collection, please visit our website, our Facebook page, or our YouTube channel. It's been a pleasure to share this car with you today. Gorgeous example of something that you would see in the 1950s. Thank you for watching.